Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide and unhide slides in Google Slides. In this document, I have multiple slides and there are some of them that I want to hide when I'm presenting the whole document. So when I'm presenting it, the audience won't see the document, or sorry, won't see the slide, but the slide is still there in case I want to unhide it, or it's still useful for my work on the document. Let's say I want to hide this particular slide. So what I need to do is I have to select the slide. Oh, by the way, you can also select multiple slides if you want to. You can just press and hold the control key like this one, and then you can click on each slide that you want to select. And then you can right click on any one of them, for example, like this one, and click skip slides. You'll see this option, and all the slides that are skipped will have this icon, meaning that they are going to be hidden when you are presenting the document. So this is the first slide and this is the fifth slide. Let's see if we actually will get these slides hidden when presenting the document. Let's go to slideshow and see what's going to happen if I click next. And there you go. It jumps from 1 to 5 because the slides number 2, 3, and 4 are hidden. And if you want to show them again, you just need to select the slides, right click, and unskip slides. And when you go back presenting the document, you'll see that it will run normally. Yeah, it's not going to be skipped again. So yeah, those are the methods to hide and unhide slides in Google Slides.